Malia, I got a question for you. Do you want to have a brother?
Yeah.
Do you want to have a brother?
Yeah, I want to have a brother.
Tell mommy that you want to have a brother. Mommy's right there, tell her.
Mommy, I want to have a brother.
No.
Say please. You're making baby cry.
Come.
You're making baby cry, babes.
Malia,
Baby
Malia,
want to have a
Malia
brother.
don't understand. Malia, turn around.
Malia crying, babes. Malia's sad. Malia, tell mommy that you want to have a brother again. Malia?
You love your sister, you don't want any more sibling.
Malia J, tell mommy that you want a brother, please. Tell mommy, I want a brother. Because one lift up make you melt like ice.